Mga salitang binitawan netong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam matapos makuha kagabi ng barangay ang kanilang ikaapat na panalo des Commissioner's Cup. Yan matapos mong ilike ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bulero, alam naman nating maliban dito sa ika-12 panalo ng Lakers at etong 3-6 na layup ni LeBron kontra Houston na talaga namang pinag-usapan ng marami, naging laman din ang talakayan sa araw na yan etong naganap na maling tapatan ng Thunders kontra Mavericks. Especially na kahit nabigaw ang Dallas na may panalo ang nasabing laban, maraming NBA fans pa rin ang labis na kinabiliban etong 30-0 run na kanilang ginawa sa 4th period upang sa gayon habulin ang malaking kalamangan ng Thunders.
It was great, man. We just kept our energy up, just making the right play. We're getting open shots and we just hit them in that section.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, kahapon din mga bulero, maraming kabarangay ang siguradong umantabay dito sa kanilang naganap na ika-5 laban des Commissioner's Cup. Dahil sa tapatang ito, inaasahan ang muling pagbabalik na LA sa koponan matapos nang mawala ng 9 na buwan after ma-diagnose na may stage 3 colon cancer. Kung saan kagabi, kahit na 6 na puntos lang ang kanyang nakana sa loob ng 25 minutes, nagawa pa rin ang barangay na masungkit ang kanilang ika-4 na panalo des Commissioner's Cup. At pawang yan sa tulong netong si Hardinger at Bishop na tinapos ang game na may pinagsamang 50 points at 21 combined rebounds. Kaya naman dahil sa panalong yan, di nga napigilan ng ilan na matanong si Coach Tim kung gaano kahirap etong adjustment na kanyang ginawa dito sa mga bago niyang reinforcement.
Well, it's still a work in progress. I believe we're still struggling a little bit with our execution at times, but Mav has been out of this world. So Mav is playing a really big role for us, and he's responded extremely well. We can't be any more pleased than that. And Tony is still trying to figure out. He feels like he needs to dominate, but with guys like Christian and Japeth and Jamie and Mav and all the guys, he doesn't have to dominate. So he feels like he has to play perfect basketball, and he doesn't need to with this team. So I think he's adjusting to that, and I think he'll get better and better as he goes along.